What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So good to have you. In today's episode, I'll be working on a few projects, and I wanted to show you some progress updates on the new workshop. Now, it's not going to be a knife making workshop, but it is going to be a workshop that I can still use. And, well, it's going to be an auto shop garage slash whatever else you want to do in there. And it is right there across the way. So let me show you what I'm looking at here. Oh, there goes Nala. All right, so we got the back half panels put on the other day. Let me go down here, down these stairs. Thing's still a little bit dusty. So we have our door that is locked. Let me go around. Oh, hey, the whole wall's gone still. Not gone, it just hasn't been put up. Anyway, this is our garage. 12-foot tall, 15-foot pitch in the middle. There is 4 windows, 2 on this side here that we're looking at now, and then 2 on this side. This is the main roll-up door entrance with the driveway. And then this is the back door. It's been quite a project so far. Started out with the cement pad, and then we did the retaining wall. Well, I did the retaining wall. Then we did the stairs with the sandstone, cobblestone, little boulders. Came out really cool. Slowly but surely. It's really looking cool on the outside. And then there's the window. There's Nala again. All right, Nala, you want to show them what we got going on in the workshop? Nala always likes to come with me into the workshop. She likes to help. She doesn't do much, but she's more or less here for support. So, let me get the garage open. We'll get the sander going, get the forge turned on. Let's start forging. It's been a while. I really want to make something cool. Tomorrow is Christmas after all. I feel like I can make a few little last minute items. Let's see what we can do. These are the cut-off pieces I had from our Twist Damascus build. Maybe I'll try to flatten these out and see what we can do with them. What should we do with them? Now that we got the workshop going, forge on, we got to get the right hat on. Let's get to it. Dang it, that was fun. Let's see if this will work. So what am I making today? I'm not really sure just yet. The first idea came to me in the form of a kiradashi, but we'll see what kind of material we have for this project. Other than that, I'm not really sure. I know these are going to be really unique with the pattern because these are going to be cutoffs from the twisted bars I did from the Damascus, what is it, the multi-layer Damascus twist bar. Time trouble holding the pieces, so I will be smashing them in my press over there. All right, here's the other one. The problem I'm having with these tweezers is I need to oil these things. These things are so stiff, and I can't even. Ugh. Maybe that'll help open up this. So stiff, man. And I couldn't even couldn't do it. You know, I was trying my best, but I couldn't. Go ahead and clamp this up real quick. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. So, okay, well, just wanted to see where we were. Always nice to make some cool patterns. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Here's how the knives turned out. Obviously, I gotta finish them. I'm probably just gonna wrap the handles in some type of suede or leather, get them sharpened, and then we'll make a small little leather necklace sheath for it maybe. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Madewell Knives here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome in. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing, of course. Other than that, happy holidays. Hope everyone stays safe out there, and we will see you soon on a video coming up. I think we're gonna finish up the next video. We'll finish these guys up, see how they turned out. I think my favorite thing about these little knives is how small they are. I really wanted to make a small necklace knife, or even like a jam spreader. A jam spreader. Can't even see it.